In this video, we will see how to download, boot, and install Windows 11 step by step. First, we need to download the Windows ISO file from the Microsoft website. For this, we use Google search. Type download Windows 11. There are different methods for installing Windows on Microsoft website, but we use the ISO download method. Choose the language you want to install, and then click on Confirm. I have already downloaded the file. This file is almost 6 GB. In the next step, we need to download the Rufus software. Rufus is a free software for putting a USB flash drive. On the Rufus website, download the installation file based on the current architecture of Windows, which is 32 or 64 bits. After downloading, open the Rufus software, then connect the USB flash drive to the computer. Select the USB flash drive from the device section. Choose ISO image from boot selection. Select the Windows ISO file you downloaded. The scheme partition must be GPT. MBR is an old format. If your hard drive is MBR formatted, you should back up your hard drive information and format it. Leave the rest of the options as default. If your computer is old, you can tick this box so that the TPM chip is not checked on your system. By default, Windows 11 is installed only on motherboards that support the TPM chip. After this part, all the information on USB flash drive will be deleted, so it's better to copy the USB flash drive information somewhere else if you need it. This may take a few minutes depending on the type of USB flash drive, so I will speed up the video. The USB flash drive is ready to install Windows. Restart the system and press the delete key to enter the UEFI environment. You may need to press another key to enter the UEFI environment. This depends on the manufacturer of your motherboard. From the boot menu, click on the USB flash drive, then wait until you enter the Windows installation environment. Select the desired language, then click Next. Click on Install Now. It can see different versions of Windows. The most complete is the Pro version. Select the desired version and click Next. Accept the license and click Next. The first option is to upgrade the current Windows, and the second option is to format the drive and partition the hard drive. Drive 0 means the first hard drive, and drive 1 means the second hard drive. This system has 2 hard drives. I delete all the partitions of the second hard drive and partition it again. If you don't want to partition again, format the drive on which you want to install Windows and then click Next. You can partition a hard drive into different drives, but since this computer has 2 hard drives, I will partition the entire hard drive for Windows. You must use the primary drive to install Windows. As you can see, Windows creates 2 additional drives automatically. Do not change them. Select the desired region and click Yes. Select the keyboard language for typing. If you want your keyboard to have another language for typing, add it from the Add Layout section. Choose a name for your device. Choose whether this computer is for personal use or for work. We install here for personal use. Enter your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you can create a new one. To enter the computer, you need to create a PIN to increase the security of your computer. Enter the PIN to log in and then click OK. Read the privacy and then accept. You can customize the computer for a specific theme, but I skip this part. By scanning this code, you can install the Microsoft application on your mobile phone. If you want to control your computer from your mobile phone, you can install it. If you enter more Microsoft services such as Office, enter this section. Windows settings are being done. It may take a few minutes. Don't turn off your computer. Windows installation is complete. To see the installed Windows version, type WinVer in Run. To activate, enter Setting and Activation. Then enter the activation code. Thank you for watching the video. If the video was useful, please like and subscribe to make the video more visible.